This is a simple HTML5 with 5 different buttons, and buttons are numbered with their index number. Okay, if we put these 5 buttons in an array, the first one will be the 0th button, then 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, because we know the index number starts from 0. So that's why I numbered these as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then in CSS, I have created 2 classes, one btn green with background color green and one btn red with background color red. So first the buttons assigned the class btn green. Then in JavaScript, I am accessing all the buttons by their class name btn green. Okay, then I am running a loop. As this is for complete beginner, so I am not using for each, I am using for loop. So let I equal 0 because our index number starts from 0. Then we will check the condition till I is less than the total length of the button. So button start length, then I plus plus, we will increment I 1 by each time. Okay, then within the loop we are running an event listener to the button, and the event listener, what it will do, on click it will add button red class to button and remove the button green class. So when we click on any button, it will change to red, right? So this code looks perfect, right, for a beginner. But now let us click on index number 2. See, the color of index number 3 changed. Okay, but I am clicking on index number 2. Let us click on 2 again. See, the bottom of 4 is changed to red. Okay, but if I run it again and directly click on 3, okay, so its color will be red. It means the first click works fine, then it is not working, right? Why this happened? To know this, here let us do a console log of buttons. Okay, so yes, now it is visible. So when I click on 0, see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 buttons, right? But now when I click on 1, we have 4 buttons. Why? Because we removed the button green class of one button. Okay, so our index numbers changed at this place. Okay, now we have only 3 green buttons, so this time we will get only 3. Okay, so to overcome this problem, what we will do, we will add another class btn okay, and in JavaScript here we will get all the class with btn. Okay, so now we have 5 buttons which has btn class, right? So when we click on this, see, it changed to red. We are getting 5 buttons now, all with btn green, right? Now when we click on 1, see, we have still 5 buttons, but the first one has btn class and btn red class, and all other 4 are btn and btn green class. Okay, so as we are assessing all the buttons having btn class, so always we will get 5 buttons and our index always point to the similar button, it will never change. Okay, so what we understood here, we understood here how to add a class, how to remove a class, how to add event listener, that click event listener to multiple buttons, how to assess multiple buttons by class name, okay, And we came to know that when we are using get elements by class name, all the elements of specific class is assigned to an array. Okay, look at here, this is the array. It has all the buttons having btn class. Okay,